Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. In today's video, I have got a very different video. Today's video is actually a collab. So I am part of a few Facebook, YouTube small creator groups, and a channel called Cheap Reviews said they wouldn't mind doing a collab, and I was all up for it, couldn't wait, so excited. So we checked out each other's channels, realised we both like Poundland, and decided because of that we were going to go to Poundland with a budget, buy things for each other to review, swap the bags and just review it. So we have been to Poundland, we have bought each other some things from Poundland, and today's video is basically a mystery Poundland review slash unboxing. Now the second thing that's different is that I'm actually going to be on his channel reviewing my stuff, he's going to be on my channel reviewing this stuff. I'm going to hand you over to Cheap Reviews, who is going to be unboxing the things that I bought him. And then if after this video we want to see what I got and what I reviewed, head on over to his channel. I'll put the link in the description box down below so that you don't miss out what I'm reviewing and what I get. And that's all that today's video is really. It's a mystery Poundland review unboxing bag thing. Really hope you enjoy it.
And thank you, Finn, for the great big bag of Poundland goodies you've sent across to the channel. Here they are. And somebody retakes, this bag's getting further and further away. Yay! I love a good old Poundland haul, who doesn't? But what is inside the bag? That is the mystery, and we want to find out. So the best way to find out is to head over to the table of broken dreams and broken tat to see what is in the bag. So as always, schwingamabob. And welcome to the table of broken dreams and broken tat, where guess what? The magic happens! Explosion! Yes, all that stuff happens. You might not be familiar with my channel, but that stuff always goes on this table. Explosions, they're dangerous. Right, time to see what is in a lovely mystery bag that Finn has sent across. Also, I've sent her one too, so it worked both ways. It was a great Poundland bag exchange. Right, here is the one she has kindly sent in. I have no idea what is in the bag. I haven't even looked inside it. We've just literally exchanged bags. And this is as far as I've got. So I can see one thing is poking out. So what is poking out? It's a water gun. Hooray! We have got the Shockwave water cannon. But we must see how it works. So I will fill it up with water in just a second. We have got the one aiming nozzle to soak your enemies into submission. And we have got a water filling tank. But just how powerful is the Shockwave? Because the big just got bigger. That's what she said. Right, it's now time to test out the Shockwave 5000 water cannon. As you can see, I've built a tin can alley, and we're going to see how many cans we can knock over with the Shockwave from Poundland. Right, take aim, we are fully loaded. Clear the range. As you can see, we've laid waste to Tin Can Alley. Hooray! I drank so many fizzy drinks on lockdown. I am not proud. One item down, many items to go. And don't try that at home, kids, because your mum will kill you. Be an adult, and then you can own your own bathroom and do what the hell you want. What else we got? We've got some awesome headphones. Hooray! These have got super bass, a 3.5mm jack, and a comfortable fit. They are awesome. Yeah, they're awesome. These are from SoundGeek from Poundland. It's one of their little brands they have. Right, what is inside the box? Enough waffle. We have got... Oh, I dropped something. That might be important later. Right, we've got a lovely, really tiny in-ear headphones. I know, great, look at them. They're nifty and they've got this really cool cable clip. So when you separate them, you can do them back up again. And then they do this thing where they bow in the middle. Because they're originally glued together. And once you separate them, they'll never go back together. Hooray! Ain't they great? So yeah, they are £1 in Poundland. Get yourself some headphones. I did have a case, but it's fallen on the floor and it's too low down for me to reach. Hooray! We like those. Right, next item. We have got the car bin. It's not a bin you throw your car in. That would be silly, and it's far too small. I know this is a bin that will fit in most cup holders. Hooray, so you can throw all your car stuff in here, like bits of the engine that have failed on you. You can throw them in this car bin. So yeah, this is your lovely bin. pop that down so I can put the lid on and show the lovely people at home what a car bin looks like. So yes, this goes in your cup holder, and then you finished your cup, you can throw it in this bin. I can't put it together. Damn you, Poundland. You can probably get a really cute bin liner. Maybe a sandwich bag will fit this, and you can pop that on the top, and your really tiny pieces of rubbish will fit in this. For example, this packaging from these headphones could probably somehow fit in the bin. You could be driving, you could be brought yourself a new pair of headphones, and look, the box goes in the bin. Hooray, that's that covered. Right, what's next in the bag? Some perfume for the King and a Million. It's no way a rip-off of the other scent that has a similar name. And this is the Eau de Toilette spray for men. I can never pronounce that. Eau de Toilette. Odour of toilet spray for men. Let's see what it smells like. Does it smell of chemicals? Does it smell like a swimming pool? Or will we smell like a King and a Million? Let's have a smell. Right, we've got some of the scent mostly over my hand. Let's rub it in so we can all experience the smell together. It smells alright, I suppose. As a generic aftershave. I have got another aftershave from Poundland I will compare it with, because I have got On the Pool. This is from the bag. This is an item I've reviewed in the past, and I want to know if this smells the same. This is another Poundland fragrance. Let's see if this smells exactly the same. Let's put it on the other wrist so I don't contaminate the other one. Yeah, it smells roughly about the same. Although the King and a Million is slightly stronger than On the Pool. On the Pool smells of nothing. Pop that back and choose another item from the lovely mystery bag. What else we got? A Christmas bauble speaker. Attach me to your Christmas tree and confuse everyone that walks past. Because then you can pair your phone up to it and make it say rude things as people walk past your Christmas tree. Hooray! Yeah, I saw these last Christmas actually. I was tempted to pick one up. But now I have one. Thank you very much. It has a wireless sound. It's just literally the sound of wireless. It's just the sound of Wi-Fi signal. Rechargeable battery and has a 3-watt speaker. What? And yep, this is your Baubles speaker. So let's have a look. If I knew what I was reviewing, I would have prepared some Christmas music on my phone that was copyright free, and I could have set a Christmas tree up and everything. But no, we are quickly looking at stuff. I wasted so much time on the water pistol that I must fly through the rest of it. Right, we have got our lovely Baubles speaker. I will be dancing around the Christmas tree next Christmas. There we go. It's actually quite nice. It looks like a bauble. It's slightly heavier than a bauble. Obviously, it's got a speaker in it and a battery. But yes, it's actually quite nice. Turn it on from the back. And may all your Christmases be merry and white or gold. Right, we have got our lovely charging cable. So you can charge up your baubles. And we've got the instructions. But what do they say? It's from the hot house of technology. One of those Poundland brands that we couldn't think of earlier. Bluetooth Baubles speaker, bringing technology home. And to prevent hearing damage, do not listen at high volume levels for long periods of time. Lesson for you. Right, only a few items left. Hope you've enjoyed the lovely stuff we've reviewed so far. Right, the next one, we have got a Dinosaur Dig Kit. Hooray! I've done many of these personally, and there's always a fun surprise inside. But we're going to see what's inside, but to not sit there and, take ages about it, we're going to speed things up. So let me clear all this, and then we're going to see what is inside the dinosaur poo. The table is all cleared off, now we can see what is inside the dinosaur poop. Here it is, our dig kit, and we're going to use power tools like men to get this job done faster. So let's get the poo out of the box. Can't rip it out. Time's flying. Right, here was our dinosaur poo. There was a mini dinosaur inside. That is how dinosaur poo works. Dinosaurs hatch from poo, don't you know? The dinosaurs used to poo out their young. Right, it comes with 2 tools. We've got these. These are far too slow to be getting the job done with. I'll be here all day. Nope, instead we're going to use proper tools. We've got a hammer and chisel, or a hammer and screwdriver. That should speed things up. And as to not damage my desk, I have got an old towel with a cushion underneath, and hopefully I will not smash up my desk. Right, let's take off the plastic. Let's not bother. Safety first. I must put on my safety specs. Health and safety. Let's free the dinosaur that lives inside. You will give me your secrets. I know you're in there. It's a hard poo to crack. I think I'm in. Oh, I can see a leg. Oh, I've pulled its foot off. It's a one-legosaurus. We can free it. Oh, there it is. It's lost a leg and it's lost a head. Well, just like real fossils are always incomplete. And so is this one. Got a lot of hoovering up to do. Right, table is all cleared. Let's get rid of those. Put it over. Right, all the dust is gone. It's time for the final item the lovely Finn has sent me. What have we got? We've got the helicopter. Hooray! It's unique. It certainly is. It has multifunctional metal parts. 31 bits for me to build. Hooray! And it's also compatible with other leading brands. Please name another leading brand. And it includes tools. Thank God for that. Right, this is what we are building. This thing. Instructions. Build and play. Are they the instructions? Are the instructions inside? Who knows? Is that the instruction? I don't know. And there are many other ways you can collect. You can have a racing car, a bulldozer, a digger. Collect the complete range, all 4 of them. We've got our screws and we've got our bits and our screwdriver. I have built the helicopter. Hooray! I followed the instructions. Well, I sort of did. I went wrong and then I kind of made it up as I went along. So in order to operate it safely, please read the instructions first before use. So you must operate this like a real helicopter or it will slice your fingers off. So yes, these are the easy to follow instructions that I didn't actually bother to follow. But what I have come up with is I have built the mighty helicopter, but I didn't use the tools. It is all hand screwed together and we have this weird dual rotor blade going on. Whee! And yet where I hand screwed it all together, it's not very tight at all. And it doesn't resemble a helicopter. But that is your helicopter. If you've got time, maybe you could build it properly. But that is your helicopter and that is the final item. So a big thank you, Finn, for sending all this stuff. Just to recap, what have we got? We've got the lovely car bin. Hooray, to throw your car into. We've got the dinosaur poo. We had half a dinosaur come out of that. That was fun. We have got the Christmas tree bauble. Hooray! That will adorn my tree this Christmas. We've got our lovely headphones. I will try those out at some point. And we can't forget the king in a million. So if for every million people on the planet, there is a king out there and you could be that king. Thank you very much, Finn. And I'll hand back to you now for the rest of your show. So thank you very much. And it's been fun.
Right guys, that is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I know it was a bit different to usual. If you liked the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to see my version of the video, honestly head on down to the description box. I've put Cheek Reviews channel in there so you guys can watch what I had to unbox. So thanks so much for watching. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening or weekend wherever you are in the world, and I really hope I get to see you again in the next one. Until then, love you, bye.